Why do Korean women look so young? The secret is that they exfoliate their dead skin cells with AVIALAN's Korean-style exfoliating gloves. Keeping their skin clean is what makes them look young. On the other hand, because you don't exfoliate, your skin is covered in layers of dirt, build-up, and dead skin cells. Even if you shower every day, those dead skin cells can clog your pores, causing ingrown hairs, keratosis pilaris, and strawberry legs. You need to use AVIALAN. It doesn't just remove dead skin cells. It also exfoliates dark, pigmented areas to help brighten them, like your elbows and knees. It also removes thick, smelly calluses from your heels and make them soft. And yes, your overall skin tone will become more even and brighter too. If you want to look younger, you need to start from the basics. Then your cosmetics will actually work better. We developed this product specifically for that purpose. Cleanse the dirty demons living inside me. AVIALAN.
AVIALAN brands.